Just 1 week, short pause. If you stay in space for 7 days, your face begins to swell, your bones start to weaken, your sense of direction disappears, and when you return to Earth, even walking feels difficult. Pause. But the real change doesn't happen in your body, it happens in your mind. Because no one who looks at Earth from space ever thinks the same way again. Longer pause. Spending 1 week in space sounds short, but for the human body, it is deeply disruptive. There is no gravity. Up and down lose all meaning. In the first days, dizziness begins. Nausea follows. Balance is completely lost. Muscles no longer carry your weight, so they weaken rapidly. In just 1 week, muscle strength decreases. Bone density starts to drop. Pause. Blood and body fluids no longer stay in the legs. They shift toward the head. That's why the face swells. The nose feels blocked. Pressure builds behind the eyes. Some astronauts even experience temporary vision problems. Short pause. Sleep becomes a serious challenge. Because in space, you witness about 16 sunrises every single day. The brain loses its sense of time. Day and night no longer exist. Pause. The psychological effects are even deeper. Being thousands of kilometers from Earth, living in a confined space, surrounded by constant, invisible danger, the mental pressure increases. Feelings of isolation appear. Time itself feels distorted. Long pause. But space has another side. When you look through the window, Earth appears small, blue, fragile. Borders disappear. Countries vanish. This moment creates something astronauts call the overview effect. A sudden shift in awareness, a deep understanding of how small we are, and how connected everything truly is. And when you return to Earth, your legs feel heavy, your head spins, gravity feels unfamiliar. But the biggest difference remains inside you, because space doesn't just change your body, it permanently changes the way you see humanity, your planet, and your place in the universe. Pause. And if space can change the way we see the universe, imagine what understanding it can do for us. If you want to explore the mysteries of space, the unknown, and the science that reshapes how we think, subscribe to Mystic Space, because this journey has only just begun.